Restoring the trim, rubber, and plastics back to looking new is a breeze. Today, I'm using Trim Cubes by Lithium Auto. The pack includes a prep spray, the same rubber gloves your proctologist uses, and 4 packs of trim cubes along with instructions. There is enough in this pack to treat 2 cars. Spray the prep onto the surface to get any oils or contaminants off.
What the? Oh, me is smart. Childproof lock.
Get the gloves on and open up the pack. It's not like it's toxic waste or radioactive material, but you need to protect yourself with the gloves, and please don't be smelling this stuff. It ain't perfume. The applicator is super easy to use. Just run it on the surface you want to apply the product to in straight lines, making sure that the coverage is even. If you do have a high spot, just lightly retouch and redistribute the solution. Redistribute, I can't say that word.
It's gonna be like me taking some Viagra. Miracles are gonna happen.
I applied this to literally all the exterior trim, rubber, and plastics. I should have filmed it going on the rear diffuser. That turned out looking slicker than goose shit. After you apply it, just wait about 60 seconds and then you lightly buff it. This car is 16 years old. Bear that in mind when you see me remove the tape and you get a gander of the results. Just gorgeous. 15% off of all of Lithium's products when you use the discount code BubbaRay15 at checkout on the Lithium Auto website.